Or YouTube, real quick before this video starts, make sure to check out gfxcomment.com, our website, our store. We have a lot of free templates, GFX packs, products you guys can download. We got UI interfaces if you're a developer and you want just quick UI, you could add it right into your game. Here it is, so check it out. Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today this one this one is a bit different, but after this video I have a lot more tutorials planned, as well as a ton of different things, so stay tuned for those. But here, as you can see, I am on Discord in our server, and so today I'm going to be reading these suggestions, but I'm not gonna do any of these. So yeah, let's start off. The first one is from Spook This Taco. How to make a basic pet icon. I'm pretty sure we have already done that. Alright, here's one from Med. How to use and grow on the Talent Hub as a small creator. Sounds like a pretty decent idea. Too bad I'm not actually gonna do it. I suggest that you should read these suggestions. I guess I'm doing that. Does that kind of ruin this video? How do you make a profile picture like yours, like the pumpkin you were using as your what? Have promoters promote more lately. People have been posting things in renders and getting no feedback. They mostly get skipped. Vector tutorials like palm trees, sun, land, or sands, etc. How to make a UI asset pack, or just how to create better UIs. A tutorial on layer styles. Maybe give us all headless for free. You think I have that kind of Robux? How Robux fast? It's a great suggestion. Finding people with good avatars to make GFX. Dude, I mean, just look in some groups. I don't know. Rating different fonts. How to make Robux without doing anything. Alright, let's see what else we got. How to make an application UI where you like apply to be a worker or some, and with a very nice appropriate theme. Ranking portfolios. Video where you pick a number 1 through 7 you recently played and recreate its UI. Giving everyone in my Discord free Robux. UI artist tries to make GFX while GFX artist tries to make UI. Two artists make a render UI art with the same idea. How to find good resources and tutorials. How to get the most dislike, comment, and suggestions. How do this? It's like a anime thing. Remake the first UI you see on Twitter. Make a GFX on a random idea from a generator. Speed run a thumbnail. How to give Blake Edmund's son role. Dude. How to eat McDonald's while doing GFX. Dude, I don't eat McDonald's, bro. Do people actually eat McDonald's? What else we got? Recreating Staff's UI, but it's my UI. Make a video how to get vectors and how to make for your logo. Man, these suggestions. How to make good logo, bro. We have like 5 logo tutorials at least. How to get demand and recognition for designs, maybe. Do a video on critiquing Roblox GFX with no filter. Dude, you sure you want that? More vector video. Alright. I will be precise as I can and try excessively not to be dumb. I'm thinking of quitting doing comps for Roblox GFX and move into the real business of GFX. Designing in real life, like mockups, websites and stuff. I want to know how to manage commissions and how to do them precisely so I cannot mess up when I open commissions. Need to get a profile picture. So professionalism. Minecraft. Manipulation. Fortnite. You think I'm gonna do Fortnite? Age of 13, bro. You're so young. I want you guys to comment down below how old you guys think I am. I don't know, just give like a rough guess. You could think, you know, I could be 14, I could be a teenager, I could be 17, you know, I could be a young adult, I could be 19, 20, I could be a grown adult, I could be like 25. I don't have kids, so just use that as a metric reference point. How to make cartoony style profile pictures and banners. Video showcasing a bunch of different effects. You can apply it to your logos. EV God doing Psychos only challenge gone wrong. Scaredy scream cat face. How to make a simulator thumbnail. Let's see what else we got. How to make how to avoid scammers. I think we just made that. Or actually, we made a couple. I guess briefly going over it. I don't know if we made a video specifically pertaining to this topic, but UI styles plus overlay manipulation, making intermediate profile GFX tutorial, how to make a poop GFX, aka Evan's favorite emoji. I don't think it's my favorite. Let me see. I use this one the most. You got fire, muscle. Well, this is frequently used. So, alright. Alright guys, so that segment of this video is over. Now I'm gonna head into Arsenal and let's just play a little bit, because why not? Alright, so we got a legacy competitive match. Let me turn on the volume. I'm not great at this game, so don't judge. Oh yeah. Give me that kill. Oh, I missed. Terribly. I'm missing so bad. Here's a nice shot. Bro, what is that movement? I'm getting a bunch of frags now. Let's go. Nice. Where you spawn from? Right here. Dude, I'm missing so much. Man, he's already all the way up at 31. I'm 14-1 though. It's alright. Alright, they voted beach. By the way, if you look at the top right, I have 150 ping. I'm on Tokyo servers and I am in California, so I don't know why that is, but okay. Dude, this spread is incredible. Can't believe I got a tap burst fire on Roblox Arsenal. Are you serious? Bro, my team is taking all my kills. Can I get a kill? Man, this ping. Something else. What? What? I'm trying to end this quickly, so if you guys can please. Okay. Dude, James, you gotta stop it, man. You're pissing me off. Bro, these rocket launchers are so bad. And I'm missing every single shot. All good. Are you gonna spawn here? Yeah. Oh no. Why is that not hitting anybody? Alright, that was bad. I want to switch teams low key. My team is taking on my kills kinda. Man, these explosive weapons are irritating, to say the least. Okay, I need a knife kill now. However, let me get that. However, which way? Give me this! Bro. This is why I hate knife kills, man. There we go. Alright, YouTube, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.